FIAMM AM80S high note replacement horn features aluminum coil motor, corrosion-resistant steel housing and an ABS plastic projector. FIAMM horn package includes universal mounting bracket, jumper wire, nut and female connectors. Each FIAMM horn is tested to assure maximum performance and exceeds SAE and OEM specifications. FIAMM horn can be installed on any vehicle, UTV, ATV, or motorcycle. FIAMM 2-terminal horn, 12-volt, max amp draw 6, produces 125 decibels at 4. FIAMM AM80S high note replacement horn features aluminum coil motor, corrosion-resistant steel housing and an ABS plastic projector. Top reviews from the United States. 2013 Chrysler 300. Contrary to Amazon fitment help, this horn does fit a high-note horn on a 2013 Chrysler 300. You just need to use the black wire included in the package on the second lead as a ground. Simply attach it to the bolt you are using with the nut to mount it on the car. Very easy. Very loud.